Hello guys, welcome to a new video. This is a quick video about the X20V team battery adapter, and it's a USB charger with two USB-A sockets. Let's open it up and see what's inside. There is even a manual, I think. It's a cordless battery adapter with a light, with two battery outputs, USB-A. Comes with no battery and no charger. Has a 3-year warranty, and it's compatible with the X20V team battery range from Parkside. It's a 5-volt output and it's 2.4 amps. So it's the Parkside logo, the USB-A sockets to charge your phone or your tablet, or connect a light or something, everything that's compatible with USB-A. And as you can see, the input is 20 volt, output is 2 USB, maximal 5 volts, 2.4 amps. There's the light, and on top there's a button for the light, and there is a metal hook to hang it on your belt. Let's connect the battery. So here I have a X20V team battery from Parkside, fully charged. Let's connect it. And then you have to use the button to release it, just as like every other tool. Nice. The button for the battery, you have to push it 2 times to activate it. And it's not a really strong light, but it's enough. It's enough. It's handy. It's just handy for when you go camping or something, or when you don't have another light with you and you have to see somewhere. You have to light up space. Okay, let's try to charge a phone. USB charging cable. I always use the Anchor cables. They're pretty good. Otherwise, no. Goes in there, and just see activate. You can see the light is on now, and this phone is dead for a long time. And it's charging now. It's 93%. As you can see. And it's just charging. So it works fine. Try the other socket. Also immediately connected and charging. I have to light it up a little bit. So it just works fine to charge your phone, to take out camping. So nice product, simple. Try to use it on my tablet. And there it goes, charging. So it works fine. It's a nice small charger, really handy. You can take it with you everywhere. I paid €7 for it in an offer, but the normal price I think it's about around €9. So definitely worth it. Works fine. Thanks for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel for future videos, and I hope to see you next time.